What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all of the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. It could be altcoins, it could be meme coins, you name it. We're gonna check it out on the channel, guys. This video we're gonna be checking out RFD refund once again. The chart looks freaking amazing, okay? There are people that are super bullish on this project and they're showing it in the chart. I just wish all coins were like this. I just wish every coin ran to 100 mil to 1 bill market cap, every single one of them, right? All of us would be super successful right now, but that's not how it works. This is why you got to pick the best of the best to invest your money. Obviously there will be losers along the way, but all you need is that one winner to change everything, right? So yeah, RFD refund is sitting at $82.35 million in market cap. If you bought around any time in this dip, you would be up some percentages already. And I really think the ETH whales, people in the community, people in the crypto space will do their best to send this to $1 billion in market cap, right? So that's another 10x from here. And I wouldn't rule it out, okay? I wouldn't rule it out at all. There's not a lot of controversy behind this project. There's big whale wallets, big whales that are backing this project. So yeah, it could have a lot. It could have a decent more amount of upside ahead for it. Before we dive any further, we're gonna check out some tweets and you know, see what people are saying in the space about the project. Before we dive any further, always remember, none of this is investment or financial advice. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. So if you got in on that RFD dip right here, you'd already be up 71% from the dip. And you know, it could have you know, break this previous resistance right here if we're talking about harmonics patterns, or it could retrace back down to continue up. You know how people be drawing their lines. It could do something along the lines of this, right? Let me clear this out. It could do something along the lines of this, you know, something like that. Not good at drawing lines, but you get the case. Retraces, finds a bottom, retraces back down a bit, finds a bottom, consolidates, then moves to the upside. There are people protecting this chart, just like how they were protecting the Pepe chart, right? The diamond hands in Pepe were freaking insane, and that's what sent it to that next level, right? Straight to $1.7 billion in market cap, because it happened so fast in a matter of 2 weeks, right? They had people that were in the project that were whales. They had people that had money, and nobody wanted to sell because it just kept going up. Everyone was preying on the downfall of Pepe. Everyone was trying to short it when it got listed on exchanges, and you know, that just worked out in the opposite direction for the people that tried to short it. It just went on a straight up rampage, right? The same thing could happen with RFD. I wouldn't be surprised that happens. We're gonna check out Twitter real quick, see what the hashtag RFD is saying real quick. A lot of influencers are already talking about the project. Okay, there is a lot of spam tweets on RFD right now, which helps its engagement at the end of the day. Maybe I should just go to the official Twitter and see what we got, any recent updates. So 53.2k followers on Twitter. They had a thread from a Corey. Corey's a great name in the space. Time for another RFD thread. Market cap is at 75 million, holders 9,000, daily volume $81 million in trade volume, right? It's down a bit right now on Uniswap, but I'm sure there's a lot more volume on exchanges as well. When the refund, sirs. Let's start with exchanges. See there, so it's already listed on a bunch of different exchanges right here: Bitmart, Bitforex, BingX, Gate.io, Mexi, CoinX, KuCoin already. You know, this is not a joke, guys. This is not a project that's playing around, okay? And all of this is bringing decent exposure, huge exposure, plus volume into RFD. Binance could potentially be in the future for this project. Why not, right? Next thing in the chart, after 4 days of gig ascending, had a bit of a shakeout. Now it looks like it's ready to continue up further. Same thing I said as well. And yeah, we could see mysterious on-chain messages going on for the project. A lot of speculation behind it. They had a billboard recently as well. Had a billboard just like how Pepe had their billboard right there. So the project is crushing it, guys. Such positive couple days. Again, shout out the boy. See, there's a ton of influencers that are on the project. Your Pop, 200k followers, you know, and a lot of other influencers as well. I don't know what's going on here. What? Oh, okay, nice little meme. Tie me up, whatever you do, whatever you want to do. And he's just busy checking the chart. Typical D-Gens, just busy checking the chart. We ain't got no time for women right now. We gotta get that money. We gotta get that wife changing money, right? So very solid thread as always. Thanks, Corey RFD. You know, so right here, look at this. Next Pepe trending, and then we have RFD 7 million tweets and Refund with 5.7 million tweets, guys. Absolutely crazy numbers, right? Absolutely crazy numbers. They recently had a space with stecky.eth, and look at this, all the exchanges that listed RFD. It is the talk of the town in the space right now. It is the big talk of the town. I wouldn't be surprised it runs like Pepe did, or even goes further than Pepe did, because we see that Pepe had controversy with Coinbase. Refund Rfd doesn't have that type of controversy, so Binance hops on it and Coinbase could potentially hop on it as well, which pushes it through that $3 to $5 billion market cap. Who knows, right? Who knows? Okay, all speculation, but when a lot of people are on it, guys, when there's a ton of hype and the chart is holding up so well, you know, even getting in right now, even if it retraces back down a bit, you know, you miss every shot you don't take. Okay, that's just how it is in crypto. Just never invest more than you're willing to lose. You have, you know, $100 to $1,000. You take the chance on it. You could potentially turn that 100 to 1,000, turn that 1,000 to 10,000, and that's how crypto is, right? Or you could lose it. That's just how it is, you know. But you miss every shot that you don't take, and you know that saying, scared money don't make no money, right? But yeah, all in all, super bullish project. If you hold RFD, let me get your thoughts down in the comment section. Everything RFD and myself will be in the description. Let me know what other projects you'd like me to check out as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.